Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to create collection in MongoDB using shell. Here I'm type here use MyDB. So switch to DB MyDB. So now in Mongo for creating collection we have two ways. So first way is type db.createCollection. So here db.create collection opening parenthesis, and here we have to pass our collection name my collection and then press enter. So okay one. So this is the one method, and here we can see here our collection name. So here type here show collections, press enter. So here we can see here our collection name is my collection. So now the second way is, so tb dot, here we have to type our collection name. So here I am type collection name is your collection opening parenthesis and dot insert. In this insert open curly braces, and here we have to pass name colon John and press enter. So here you can see here right result n inserted 1. So what it command does, here this command is create collection in database if collection is not present in database. If already present in database, then use it and insert document in collection. So here we can show collection, press enter, show collection. So here don't know how to show collections. Okay, here we have typing mistake. So again type show collections. Okay, so you can see here our new collection name is your collection and first collection name is my collection, right? So now we can going to here drop collection. So here I'm typing db dot my collection dot drop, press enter. True, it returns true. See here, if our collection name is present in our database and we are going to drop that collection, then it will returns true. If the collection is not present in our db, then it returns false. So here I can show you one example. Let's provide our db name is xyz dot drop, press enter. So it returns false because xyz collection is not present in our database, so it returns false. Okay, now here we can show collections. You can see here my collection is removed from the database and your collection is present in db. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for new upcoming videos. Stay tuned. Thank you.